इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, वो एडजेक्टिव जिसमें नाउन के बारे में कोई सवाल किया जाए, जैसे व्हाट, विच, हुज वगैरह। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम प्रोफेसर खिजर अब्बास and you are watching my YouTube channel Professor Khizar Abbas. I am with you in this series of lecture Let's Learn English, and it's lecture number 5 of its series. Our topic is adjective. We are going to discuss adjective. First of all, let me tell you what is adjective. Adjective describes or modifies a noun, giving more information about its qualities, characteristics, or attributes. It's adjective. Kinds of adjective. There are many kinds of adjectives. 8 main kinds of adjective I have discussed here. It describes or modifies a noun. It means meaning to noun or clears its quality. First of all, that's descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjectives, they describe physical or sensory qualities of a noun. The qualities which we can find with our senses, as we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste, or we can feel. It's blue. We can see the blue. It relates to our seeing. Soft. It relates to our touch. We feel and understand that it's soft. Tall. We can see the tallness. Quantitative adjectives. What is quantitative adjective? They describe the quantity or number of a noun, means they show the quantity or number, as many, much, a few, 1, 2, 3. They are called quantitative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. What is demonstrative adjectives? Point out a particular noun, as this book, these apples, that ball, this, these, that. They are demonstrative adjectives. They point out a particular book, a particular apples, and particular ball. Possessive adjectives. What is possessive adjective? They show the possession or ownership of a noun, as means my book, my book. It shows the ownership of book with me. His pen, his pen. It shows the ownership of pens with him. Interrogative adjectives. They ask something about the noun. They ask something about noun, what, which, whose. They are interrogative adjectives. Indefinite adjectives. They give non-specific information about a noun, as some, several, many. Comparative adjectives, for comparing 2 or more nouns. When we are to compare 2 or more nouns, we use comparative adjective, as better, more beautiful. Better, he is better than his brother, she is more beautiful than her sister. They are called comparative adjectives. Superlative adjectives, highest degree of quality to a noun. In this adjective, we give the highest degree of quality to a noun, as wisest, he is the wisest man in the city. Tallest, he is the tallest boy in the class. Now, I would like to describe degrees of adjective. An adjective has 3 degrees. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. Positive degree, the quality of 1 or more than 1 nouns without comparing them with each other. As I say, blue books, red ballpoint, interesting stories. They are the adjective which are in positive degree because they are describing one or more nouns without comparing them with other nouns. And comparative degree, it shows the comparison. As I say, he is more hardworking than his brother. I have compared him with his brother. This book is more interesting than that one. More interesting, it's comparative adjective. And superlative adjective, it gives the highest quality to a noun. As I say, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It's the superlative degree. But keep in mind, some adjectives don't have comparative or superlative degrees, as round. Round, if something is round in shape, it has no, a round ball, its quality, but it has no degrees. As I say, rounder, it's round or not. I say full. Full has no comparative or superlative degree. We don't say fuller or fullest. If we say, it's wrong. I hope you have understood the qualities of adjective, and if you have any question, let me know. I will try to answer that question. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.